Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a post that you have made on Facebook. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Facebook application, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password or your other credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the homepage, if you wish to pin any post that you have made, then simply open up your profile from the menu icon at the top right corner. Then tap on your username, and now you can scroll down and you will see all of the various different posts that you have made. Now, if you wish to pin any post, simply tap on the three dots at the top right corner of this particular post, and you will now see the pin post option. Go ahead and tap on this. And now this will appear at the very first within your profile as a pinned post, no matter when it was uploaded. You can do this with any old post that you wish to highlight within your profile, and you can unpin it once again by following the same process where you will see the unpin post option. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to pin any post on your Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.